What's going on, guys? We are currently on a trip to Albuquerque, New Mexico, but first we are stopping in Carlsbad Caverns and White Sands National Park. We had already been here before, but now we're coming with her mom and her sister, and right now we are currently in White City.
Yeah. I feel very welcome. Everyone said hi to me. So
It's right outside the caverns, and a necessary stop. They have interesting stuff, so come on this trip with us. Should be fun. By the way, this place is really cool. I mean, I won't forget the name. We're just gonna leave that alone. But this place is really cool because you got like a super old-timey feel, and even across the road, you have like a super old-timey motel, like Adobe motel that you can stay at. There's just a bunch of knickknacks and random stuff that you can get. It's very strange, and it's a big alien thing going on here, even though we're not in Roswell.
they can show up wherever.
Yeah, they're trying to take advantage of the thing, but it's cool. Just stop by here real quick.
How y'all feel? We're going to a cave for the first time.
I'm a little nervy-worvy.
I'm excited to see what's in the cave.
What'd you say?
How you feel going to the cave for the second time?
For the second time. Last time we came from a different direction, so.
Why didn't we come from that direction today?
Huh?
Why didn't we come from that direction today?
We're doing a lot of construction, different places. But I'm excited. It's really cool in here.
There's bats?
On the other side, yeah.
You gonna see bats?
Probably not.
Snakes?
Yeah.
See snakes?
No.
See cave people?
You can see where they worked.
The mole people?
No, not the mole people. Like the mine workers that used to work down here.
You're gonna be into the cave.
I'm thinking it's mole people.
It was really cool. It was really pretty.
It's dark in here though.
Yeah.
It's dark, that's why I said it's scary.
They got the heads with the lights on, like a real mine.
Could be hiking for real. Like, so one way you can come in here is like it's a mile walk down around into the cave. So that's on the other side.
Oh.
And then this one here. So, but it's like a mile 0.25. So that's light work for you. You know, you do 3 miles a day. You know.
No. There and back.
Right.
Yeah.
So
I'm ready.
it's like an hour to get there, hour to get back?
No, like an hour, like total.
That's not bad.
I trained for this.
So we have to be like really quiet because what we say, if it's above like a light whisper or like small talking, it's gonna travel throughout this entire cave.
The least amount of whispering possible.
What do you mean? This is fine. They can't hear me. The problem is you start talking. Oh, my bad.
This is really cool. It's cool the second time too. I'm still very impressed. Why do people walk down here? I don't know.
I don't know. They climb down here on a rope.
On a rope.
Stupid rope. But it is so pretty. I can't express to you just how large this space is and how big these stalactites and stalagmites are.
It makes my sister's head look normal.
Look at her head. Look at her head. Look at her. Everybody look at her head. You see it? That's crazy. These 3 things right here look like 3 dramatic statues of some deities that you gotta answer to. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a big old rope right there. And that's what they used to climb down when they first discovered this place. How did they get away from the bottomless pit? I do not know. This is literally the entrance into hell. Like I don't feel safe. Scale of 1 to 10. How safe do you think this water is to drink? If you said negative 100, you are correct. Okay, so this is crazy because sometimes these things have nicknames and sometimes they're actually true. This is called the bottomless pit. Looks like a face. Or Elvis. Fun fact of the day, these are actually people that got stuck. Okay, like you see the heads over there, they like the little thumb things from Spy Kids. They were actually transformed. The movie was telling the truth. Okay, second fun fact, these are all gods. These are the little munchkins. They didn't pray right. They all got stoned. It's very biblical. So Des and I have been here before, right? Had a great time last time. Here's one thing that I forgot. We gotta go all the way up, back out, and also look at this. Look at this unnecessary indention. This is fatphobic. It's really against the people in wheelchairs. It's exactly. I told you. Made everybody mad, turn to stone. Spoken facts. It's Medusa.
Gotta chill sometimes. Back when? So I play basketball. Indoor basketball.
That's funny.
Okay, now that you see right here, that's a whole family got turned stone. They were trying to run away. Got caught up. One last together hug. Look at them, stone forever. We're so close to the end, and we're not. This is so big. I'm low-key very hungry. Not low-key, very high-key, very hungry. But this is very beautiful. It's very cute. Very demure. People still say that? I don't think so. That was a fad. Thinking with that 2024. What was that this year? I don't know. I hope Carl got some of this. I'm just talking to myself.
Yeah, I like it. I bet you can't guess what country we're in right now. Okay, so we're at Wetlands National Park, and sadly, we came here during a dust storm, which is actually kind of cool because it makes me feel like I'm in one of the movies and all that stuff. Kids, yeah, we got caught up in the storm. Come on.
You're doing great. Oh, that's good.
Most dramatic exit. Oh, she let go of the bike. Oh, well, now you gotta go get it. You started so far away. Okay, so we can be further this way. It looks so cool. Like you've been
I'm just
doing.
trying not to like get slapped in the face by brakes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Same.
Oh my gosh, the storm's winds.